Hi, my name's Tim Fuge and we're here at the LSA's Training Centre in Kent to bring you the latest BLM guide to installing QuickSlates. BLM QuickSlates provide a simple but effective weatherproofing solution where a pipe penetrates a roof. They can be used on tile, slate, felt and asphalt roof coverings. BLM QuickSlates are made by vulcanising a rubber cone onto a 450mm square Code 4 rolled lead sheet base. The flexibility of the rubber upstand means they suit pipes with diameters up to 5 inches. Two pitch variances are available, 20 to 40 degrees for pitched roofs and 0 to 20 degrees for flat roofs. QuickSlates are suitable for use with gas flues, withstanding temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. For preparation, firstly we need to find the pitch of the roof to ensure we are using the correct slate. In this example our pitch is 34 degrees. A welted check edge should be detailed along the top edge of the slate base to prevent any driven rain bypassing the top of the slate in storm conditions. At this point a good tip is to apply BLM's lead coat to the reverse side of the lead slate to prevent white carbonate runoff onto adjacent materials. Shake the container, spray onto clean soft cloth, apply to the lead and allow to dry. This avoids having to turn up the apron later to apply the treatment. The rubber cone comes sealed, providing users with the flexibility to cut an outlet to suit the pipe diameter. Handy rings give guidance to increasing outlet diameters up to a maximum of 125mm or 5 inches at the outer ring. Careful cutting of the rubber cone is required. Ensure that no cuts are made outside the outer ring or in the wall of the upstand, as this will cause the rubber to tear when stretched over the pipe. Use a water-based lubricant or silicone grease to lubricate the inside neck of the rubber upstand prior to sliding over the pipe. Never use washing up liquid, as this can cause the rubber to deteriorate. The QuickSlate is then placed over the pipe and into position. Apply BLM lead coat with a clean soft cloth to the surface, leading edges, and if you didn't pre-coat the reverse side prior to installation, the underside of the slate to a depth of 75mm. This gives the lead a consistent dark grey appearance and prevents staining. It is advisable to use lead coat instead of patination oil to prevent damage to the rubber upstand. Roof tiles should be fitted as close to the pipe as possible. The vent cowl can be secured using solvent cement to finish off. If you require further information, then please visit britishlead.co.uk or leadsheet.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more videos from BLM on YouTube or via the free BLM app available to download from your App Store.